everyone. My name is Xingyuan Wang. You can call me Rebecca. I had business modeling class this semester. I think this class is very helpful and I learned a lot of practical Excel skills from this class. Now I decide to do a project which I can show off those knowledges I learned and I also share them with you guys. Although I don't have a lot of money to invest, I still want to do a research on equity market in case I may invest someday. I choose the stocks on energy market to do my research. First, I get my data from Yahoo.Energy. I really recommend you to use this website to download stocks data because it's free and easy. When I get my original data, I use table function to format data. That's gonna be easier for me to deal with my data. I also added one more column category in my original data because I want to group my data in pivot tables. Comparison data by category can be really informative than not. You will see this happen in all of my pivot tables later. I decide to use symbol name of each stock instead of names. For the reason that it is easier to identify. I also added a key column up and or down using function price minus previous closed price to see whether the price of one stock is increasing or decreasing. When I finished clearing my data, I began to create pivot tables to analyze my data. The first pivot table is about organizing data on deal price and sum of volume. See, this is my first pivot table. I try to check whether there is a pattern or a relationship between deal price and volume. So this is the pivot chart from first pivot table. For example, if the volume is rising up and the price goes down, it means there is a pattern and we can use this pattern to predict future prices. And on dashboard, in first glance, there is no such pattern. It looks like random. This one, and we can double check it by category. See? Look at the first pivot table. By category, there is no such pattern. It's just random. So we can get the conclusion that volume doesn't influence the price. Besides, we could also know that the deal price is very high for crude oil. This part. But for others, the price is much lower. In my second pivot table, this one, I try to catch up the change of price in a single day from day low to day high. In the pivot table, we could find that the daily price of crude oil is not stable compared to other categories. This is the second pivot chart. If I want to buy short, I definitely should buy crude oil. This part. But if I want to be safe, I don't think crude oil gonna be a safe strategy. In third pivot table, this one, I keep tracking the price change between today's price with previous closed price. I want to see the change of prices if I invest not on a daily basis but on a short period. From third chart, this one, We could easily tell that for crude oil, the difference from today's price and previous close price is very big. It's almost $80. It may show that buy-in with previous closed price, this one here, and sell out with this price here, could earn a lot of money. When we finish analyzing individual chart, I would like to analyze my data by category slicers. See this one, this one, this one, and this one. I find out that I really want to invest in heating oil, this one, because the deal price is the cheapest. It's only $3. Like the average is 3, and the change of price in daily or in a short period is really stable. It's like $6 from $3 to 6. The average is like that. So compared to others, it's very stable. It's very safe. And since this is my first time to invest in stocks, I believe I should pick up a safe strategy. I think the challenge I met during my project is how to make my chart reasonable and how to express my idea clearly. The thing in Excel is really helpful for me to compare to different indexes. And the most useful feature is the slicer because it could visualize my idea and makes my point very powerful. Through connection with 3 reports, my slicer could ask 3 charts to present same categories at the same time. It's so surprising to me. That's all for today. Thanks for your listening and have a nice day.